Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. I am pretty excited about a new feature that's coming to the new SwiftUI, and last year, somewhere in October, I've done a video where I created an onboarding screen for a cryptocurrency app. There we learn how to integrate UIKit in SwiftUI by using UI view representable and UI view controller representable. If you want to see how I did it, check the link in the description. Or better, stay here and watch this video and see how easy it is to do an onboarding screen in this version of SwiftUI, and then go check it out and see it. So enough talk, let's start coding. As you can see here, I already have the view that I used in the other project, the one I talked about. And the view is pretty simple. We have an image, a text view that will hold the title, and the text that will hold the description with a padding. The model contains the card model that conforms to identifiable protocol, and for this has an ID, an image, a title, and a description. And here we have some test data. Okay, now let's go to our content view and start coding. First, let's do a for each and iterate over our test data, and we'll create a range from 0 to test data count, and this will give us an index. Here we're gonna use our card view that receives a card object, and we'll say test data of index. Okay, and now we should have all the three screens, and yes, there they are. And we're gonna wrap this for each into a VStack, and we're gonna replace this VStack with a tab view. The tab view needs a selection that requires a binding. So for this we're gonna create a state property, state var, and we'll name this selected page. By default it will be 1. The type will be of int, and here we're gonna pass the binding using the $sign. Okay, let's hit try again over here, and it seems that we are still missing things in order for the preview to render correctly the view. So in order to identify the current page, we're gonna use the tag, and we're gonna pass the index. And now you will see how easy it is to create the onboarding by applying a simple style. So we'll say dot and tab view style, and you see by default we have default tab view style. We're gonna use page tab view style, and we're gonna say we want to display the index, the selected index, every time. We have three options here. Always, that will always display the index regardless the page count. Automatic, this will display the index if there is more than one page. And never, yeah, you guessed it, it will never display the page index. So we'll select here automatic. Okay, and I'm using the beta version of XCode 12. It seems the preview doesn't reload. Let's hit resume. Oh well, we're gonna use the simulator. Command R. And now you can see I can swipe, but the indicator is not visible. For that we need to apply an indicator, an index view style, and we'll say index view style because the indicator is white. We'll add a background, and we'll say page index view style, and we'll need to have a background here, and we'll say always. Hit save. Let's reload, and now you can see we have the indicator. The current selected page is displayed correctly, and we also can use it to navigate. And we are done. This is it. Isn't this fantastic? Let me know in the comments what is your favorite feature of the new SwiftUI, and tell me what you want me to cover in the next videos from the new features of this SwiftUI version. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help me grow the channel and keep me motivated to create free content for you. Until the next time, I wish you all the best.